Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Manisha. So in this video we are going to see how to connect large language model that those are open source which we can access from the Hugging Face. So in this tutorial I would like to explain the procedure that you need to follow to access any large language model. For example, if you want to access ChatGPT 2, which is open source, from Hugging Face, there are few steps that you need to follow. So that these things I'm going to cover in this video. So let's get into it. So on this platform you will see model, dataset, spaces, posts, documents and pricing. All of these things are there. So why Hugging Face? Because it's an important AI community platform for accessing large language models. So in the models you will see different kinds of model here, and we can also access the data sets. Also there are some tools that you can access from Hugging Face. It also allows for collaboration among developers or researchers globally, so that's why it's also important in that perspective. It also provides an user-friendly platform which supports the deployment, training and sharing of models across wide range of applications. So that is more or less about Hugging Face platform. So talking about how to access LLM from Hugging Face. For accessing large language model like Llama from this platform, it includes several steps, including creating an account on the Hugging Face, applying for access, and then using API to interact with the large language model. So now I will walk you through these steps in detail. So first step that we are going to do in this video is to create an account on Hugging Face. So to create an account, you need to click on sign up, and then there is this form. So first you have to enter your email address here and then the password, and then you need to enter username, your full name. These all fields are optional, so you have to go to your email and confirm your email address. This kind of email you will receive, and then you have to click on the link to confirm your email address. Now you will see that your email address has been verified successfully. Next step is to apply for API access. For that you have to click on this button and then go to the settings. Next is click on access tokens, and there is a new token. When you click on new token, that it will ask for the name, what is this token for, and then there are three types. So I will go with the read type, and I will write the name, and after that click on token. So this is your API key or token that you cannot share with anyone, and when you want to access LLM you just have to click here to copy this token. Now next is request access to specific model. So for example, we want to access this Llama 3 or any other model. To get the access you have to click, you have to write these things. So after you fill everything, just click on submit button, and your request is already submitted to Hugging Face. Now you will have to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes to get the confirmation from Hugging Face that you are allowed to access Meta Llama 3 model. So just now I have received an email that your request to access Meta Llama 3 model has been accepted, but there are some models that you don't need access. For example, GPT-2. So for example purpose we are going to use a GPT-2 model. So let me open first Colab. We are going to use Colab to access the model. I'm going to click on new notebook, and after entering in here you just need to connect runtime to T4 GPUs. I'm just going to set that, and the first thing I will do is to install the library that we need to access the model. So after successfully installing transformers, we will import the library, and the next step is to to get login to Hugging Face. So you just have to write this code, and then to log in you have to click on this link, and then it will redirect to your account on Hugging Face. You have to click here to copy this token, and just you need to paste it here, enter, and then say yes, and you are successfully logged into Hugging Face. Now the next step is to access a model. So for in our case we are going to access this model GPT-2. It is lightweighted, so we can easily access that model through Colab, and this code you need to write here, and then wait for some minutes. So after accessing OpenAI GPT-2 model, we would like to use this model for text generation. So we will just see whether it is working or not. It's just very simple example. So this is the function that we are using, generator underscore GPT-2, and then we are passing that hello, how are you, and the maximum length we set 50, and let's see what would be the response. So generated text, this is our question, are you feeling well? Here is the answer that I'm all well, in fact I have some health issues. So it's working. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, doubt, or any suggestion, please leave your comments in the comment box. So stay tuned and take care, and see you in the next.